Welcome back to another PL Adventures DIY video. So today we're going to be replacing a dimmer switch. As you can see, this one's broken, so we did purchase another one. So we're going to put this one in here, and all you need is simple tools, 2 screwdrivers, a Phillips, and a flathead. But first, before you do that, we got to go turn off the breaker. Once the breaker is off, let's remove the cover. Cover's off. It's all being held up by these 2 little screws. Then you got 2 screws right here. We're just going to take them off. Pull it out. Alright, so we got 3 wires. We got power coming in, going through the switch, power going onto the light, and we got our ground. So let's open up the new switch. Alrighty, so we got the new switch. So basically, power is going to go through here, going to go through the switch, which you can control it, the dimmer, on and off, and the power is going to go up to the light. This is the ground one. So, I'm going to twist it. That's the old one. And do our ground. Power going out. I'm going to put one here. And the other one. Make sure it's tight, and I like to put a little bit of electrical tape down here just in case it gets loose, or when you're shoving the wires back into the box, you don't want it to come out. So I like to put electrical tape right here. So that's it. Let's put the wires back in the box. We're going to use the longer screws to mount it. put the cover back on. Use the little screws with the little flathead screwdriver. Alright, so the next step is to go turn the breaker back on, and let's test it out. Alright, so the breaker is on. Let's turn it on. Dimmer. Off. On. Dimmer. And let's check out the light. And there you guys have it. It's that simple. Thank you guys for watching. Like this video, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next one. Peace.